Mindfulness for beginners. 5-minute daily practices to reduce stress. Feeling stressed? Overwhelmed? You're not alone. But what if you could reset your mind in just 5 minutes a day? Here are a few tips. 1. Deep breathing. Start with deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Repeat. This simple practice lowers stress and calms your nervous system. 2. Body scan. Close your eyes and scan your body from head to toe. Notice any tension and gently release it. This boosts awareness and relaxation. 3. Mindful observation. Pick an object around you. Observe its details, the color, texture, and shape. Engaging your senses brings you into the present moment. 4. Gratitude check. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. Big or small, gratitude shifts your mindset and reduces stress. 5. Mindful movement. Move your body, stretch, walk, or simply roll your shoulders. Connecting with movement helps release built-up tension. Just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your stress melt away. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and start your mindfulness journey today.